Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2023 Honda Civic Touring. Spent some time in the Integra and the Type R, but not in the normal Civic. So I wanted to take this opportunity and kind of check it out, see what it's all about. Obviously, this is not factory. We're gonna get that fixed. Also not factory is your custom exhaust, aftermarket taillights, stuff like that, but we're more than likely going to revert this to stock before we sell it here at Infinity of Nashua. Being the Touring, you got leather seats, Bose sound, sunroof. Oh. Also have wireless Android Auto. Just a really nice place to be. Wireless charging. Digital display, so we can go Econ, normal, sport. I'll be in sport. Let's go for a drive. So I did some research to try to figure out what exhaust this is until I found the invoice in the glove box. It's a complete custom muffler done at a small mom and pop shop. So it's not a like MRP or whatever. The one thing it does do, which is kind of a downside, is accentuate the fact this is a CVT. If this was a manual, I'd be all for it, but this just accentuates the CVT. I'm not going to focus on the aftermarket exhaust on this example as much as what this has been like to spend time with. I really think, you know, the Mazda 3 in recent years has really stepped the game up of what $30,000 can get you in a car. And the Civic was lagging behind, especially the previous gen. It just didn't feel as, like, all the materials, every touch point just didn't feel as nice as the Mazda. So Honda had a lot of work to do to catch up. And they really did that here. You've got these controls feel almost identical to the Mazdas. High quality metal finishes, your leather wrapped steering wheel, soft touch for all the touch points. Seats are very comfortable. A car that I'd like to spend time with. It works out perfectly. Bose sound system's pretty good for the price point. Again, Mazda 3 uses Bose. My favorite car in this segment was the Mazda 3, and this does a good job really providing a great competitor in what was the #1 or 2, depending on your Corolla versus Civic. Yeah, these were the go-tos, and I think now you're starting to really have some good competition between them, which benefits everybody. Let's see if go into manual mode. So the one thing that does is unlock a bunch of crackles occasionally, typically under 40 miles an hour. And I'm 99.999% sure this isn't tuned, because I noticed it in the Integra, which I know is a slightly tweaked engine, but really good car. I don't know. Good amount of torque. Oh, child. And obviously this isn't the performance-based version. This is just your touring. You still have the SI and the Type R above this. But doing the Type R has allowed them to tweak the platform, tweak the chassis to make even your entry-level versions very good to drive. I don't know. This is a really good car. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.